start a new lecture for how to search data set with research paper. If you are working in a field of deep learning and machine learning in and image processing and computer vision, then you want to search data set with research paper, then you for you very helpful. So if you want to search data set, first you write here paper, paper, WITH with code, sorry, CODE, paper with code. Then you have to click here paper with code. Okay, then we receive in this a screen. Okay, in this type a screen. Here present different type of data set: CIFAR10 data set, ImageNet data set, COCO data set, MNIST data set, various type of data set. Okay, total data set present 6796 machine learning data set. You search, then you click on in this screen data sets. Okay, so first suppose I want to search a new data set, FGVC aircraft, FGVC. Now click here. Please wait, my network is slow. Okay, here present FGVC aircraft data set, IMG collection present various data set. Okay, FGVC aircraft data set contain 10,000 2000 images. Now click here, then we receive detailed information regarding FGVC aircraft data set. You can study here regarding data set. Okay, if you want to now check some image of FGVC aircraft data set, it is a different type of model. In this model present 100 type of FGVC aircraft models. Okay, if you want to source, then click here, and now you have to click here on source button. You have to click here and please wait. It is FGVC aircraft benchmark data set. It is very important. If you want to download of this data set, you can download annotation and evaluation code, project page, data annotation, evaluation. You have to download here. Okay, now you can detail about data set. Okay, data format present in different formats, and you can download here. Total images 10,000. Okay, if you want to search another type of data set, you can type here. Suppose I want to search here CIFAR. Now click here. Please wait. Here CIFAR 100 data set and CIFAR 10 data set. If you want to study any type of data set, you can search here. Okay, you can use filter of methodology, different related image processing, graphic, medical, tabular, different type of data set available. You can filter from using this filter methods. Okay, now if you want to study about method, then click on this on methods. Okay, here present different type of methods. such as attention mechanism, static optimization, regularization, activation function, and different type of computer vision methods, object detection model, image feature extraction. Okay, you want to study, you can click here and gain deep knowledge with code. Suppose you want to study about object detection method. Now click here. 67 methods present total and 1800 around papers. Now math formula detection method, one stage based detection, oriented object detection method, and web page object detection method. Now we study about one stage based object detection methods. Now one stage based object detection method such as single shot detector, OLOV3, RetinaNet, OLOV4. You can study here detail with paper with code. FCOS, OLOV2, CenterNet. It is a one stage based method. This is very important for object detections. Okay. Now similarly you can study about other methods. You can search different type of methods. So this is a very important for all researcher in the field of deep learning and machine learning. So thank you all of you. Please wait for my next video. Thank you.